Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-driven trading. Join us as we explore how AI is revolutionizing the trading landscape. AI in trading is more than just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Enabling traders to analyze data, make predictions, and execute trades with precision. With ChatGPT, creating trading strategies is a breeze. Watch as we turn simple language into complex algorithms. Crafting the perfect trading outline. Imagine translating your trading ideas into code effortlessly. With AI, your words become Pine script. Bringing your strategies to life.
So the only way to do this is to actually create a system with the buy and sell signal.
Developing a trading strategy has never been easier. From writing code to visualizing results, AI streamlines the process. Making success within reach.
First I went to ChatGPT and I asked if you had to create a trading bot, how would you do it? And it proposed a training model that accounts for risk management.
Technical indicators are the heart of trading. AI helps you explore and understand them. Guiding you to make informed decisions. Optimization is key to trading success. With AI, iterate and refine your strategies. Achieving returns that were once thought impossible. The proof is in the profits. AI-driven trading is not just a concept. It's a reality. Join the ranks of successful traders leveraging AI. Whether you're a beginner or an expert,
We've since seen the rise of people using ChatGPT to help them trade stocks, either by asking it explicitly for strategies, for code for a trading bot.
40,000% profit using ChatGPT and AI to actually trade for you.
ChatGPT is your trading companion. Embrace the community. Learn, grow, and succeed together. The future of trading is exciting and full of possibilities. With AI, the sky's the limit. Are you ready to be part of the future? AI in trading is here to stay. Join us at AI Tools, your survival kit, as we explore, innovate, and transform the world of trading. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep trading and stay curious.